Hi! Today I'm gonna teach you how to make this lovely drink for holidays. It's called the candy cane mojito. So you take 2 candy canes and crush them into a fine powder. Then you're gonna make a candy cane syrup by mixing the candy cane powder, sugar, and water. Boil it until all the candy canes melt, then let the syrup cool down. Put the syrup into a glass. Add the mint leaves and lime juice. Stir it. Add some ice and sparkling water. And if you want an adult version with alcohol, also add some rum. Enjoy!